In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Confluence. Getting image sizes right makes a huge difference in readability and polish. Oversized images can push important text down the page, while tiny images are hard to interpret. By resizing correctly, you keep your content scannable and consistent across devices. I'll walk you through the exact process, along with a few simple options to fine-tune the layout. First, open the Confluence page that contains the image you want to adjust. At the top right, click Edit to enter the page editor. This switches you into editing mode so you can make changes directly on the page. Next, click directly on the image you want to resize. As soon as it's selected, you'll see small square handles appear around its edges. These are the controls you'll use to change the size. You may also notice a small image toolbar appearing nearby. We'll use that in just a moment. But for now, keep your focus on those handles. To resize while keeping the image nicely proportional, drag one of the corner handles inward to make it smaller, or outward to make it larger. This maintains the original aspect ratio so your image doesn't look stretched or squashed. If you drag a side handle instead, you'll change just the width or the height, which can distort the image. That's occasionally useful for very specific layouts. But in most cases, stick to the corners for a clean, professional result. Take it slow, and watch how the content flows around the image as you adjust it. If you're new to Confluence, I've placed a link to the website right at the top of the description so you can get to it quickly. With the image still selected, use the image toolbar to fine-tune the layout. Set the alignment to left, center, or right to control how text wraps. If you need a precise size, enter an exact width in pixels for consistency with your style guide or other pages. And if a little context would help your readers, add a short caption beneath the image to describe what they're seeing. Captions can make complex screenshots much easier to understand. When you're happy with the size and layout, don't forget to save your work. Click Publish at the top right corner to apply your changes to the page so everyone sees the updated image. That's all there is to it. Open the page, select the image, resize from the corners, use the toolbar if needed, then publish. Thanks for watching.